Hello everyone, today I'm here Menukalamichane with my dearest student Barista Joy, and today we are going to take you through a juice class. Yes, we are having a fresh juices class and we are going to make one of the juices specially for you. So don't forget to come at Jex and get your cup. So let me make orange juice for you. But to make it, my barista Joy will help me to squeeze the juice out of the fresh fruits. Since our juice is already squeezed, I'm gonna put some ice into my glasses, and Joe is going to put the freshly squeezed orange juice in the glass, especially for you. Come to enjoy with us.